Hi guys, quick market update lang dito sa GBP USD today, August 2. So dito sa daily time frame may na-form tayo na head and shoulder pattern which is a reversal price action pattern, no. So this is our left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and ito yung neckline. So recently na-break na natin 'yan, so that means confirmed yung head and shoulder and malaki yung possibility na magkaroon tayo ng downside continuation. So, ang tinitignan ko dito is mag-retest siya back to this neckline. So, mag-act yan as resistance and for our target. So, the way na mini-measure natin yung target for head and shoulder is i-measure natin yung neckline up to the head and then copy natin yung line na yan. And then, i-anchor natin siya dito sa breakout point. So, yung possible target for this head and shoulder is around 50% retracement ng overall weekly move niya. So, itong Fibonacci na to is long-term Fibonacci siya na prinot ko. So, 1.30 yung tinitignan natin na target dito sa GBP USD. So, yun lang for this quick update. Good luck and trade safe.